So, as I already told you in the last video, that you can start building your automation before you learn about your ideal customers, about who you're gonna build this automation for. I mean, who you want to sell your product to. You need to learn more about your targeted audience. And if you had some previous courses on marketing, general marketing, this is the first thing you need to start with. Anywhere, if you build automation, if you create a product, if you pack your Instagram page everywhere, you should always consider who you're doing it for. Okay, before this wonderful tool, ChatGPT, probably I don't know who hasn't heard about it yet, but it's the revolutionized uh, way of doing marketing right now, and this will be your perfect assistant, your best assistant, together with ManyChat. Combine ChatGPT and ManyChat, they will make wonders in your business and for businesses of your clients, believe me. So now I'm going to show you how to do all that marketing research in ChatGPT for less than 10 minutes, and this work took me probably 1 week before I started using ChatGPT, and it was a lot of hard work, a lot of guessing, but ChatGPT does his, I'm gonna call him he. It's not that confusing because he is so smart, clever, and really, really clever. Once again, that I'm gonna call it him, okay? So don't be just surprised about that. And ChatGPT does all the calculations, gathers all the information based on the data he's got inside up to 2021. See right here, you can see that limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. But it doesn't make any difference because all the marketing stuff, all the marketing researches, they are based on human psychology and human behavior. So, and it doesn't matter what year it is now, we still are humans and we behave the same. But ChatGPT will not be a very good help for you if you want to leverage your Instagram and use some latest algorithm updates, because there has been a lot of them. But with these general stuff with your marketing, it's going to be your best assistant ever. So what do we have here? This is the main dashboard. You can start a new chat in here. So you can type your prompt. And all your prompts, they are saved in here. All the conversations, all the information you've got from ChatGPT, everything is gonna be saved in the left, so you're not gonna lose it. And you're gonna see all the information and all the dialogues you had with ChatGPT. The recent one I've got today, so I'm gonna show it to you right now. I've already created everything we need so that it doesn't take much time later. And we'll give it a second to just download. Upload. Here it is. Okay, what we can do with this dialogue? All the dialogue, we can edit, we can copy the link and share. For example, if you want to share this all these prompts and all this information with somebody else, you can just copy the link, as I will already have done, and I'm going to send you this link. You will study this information more closely, and now I'm going to show you, and you can delete. Okay, and now I'm going to show you what we've got in here, and all this marketing research done in less than 10 minutes. Okay, what about the prompts? There is no good or bad prompts, and there are no correct and incorrect prompts. Okay, ChatGPT is very clever, and if you want more precise information from it, yes, you need to give a little bit of information about your and your what exactly you want from ChatGPT right now. But your prompt can be as simple as it is. ChatGPT will understand you. Let's take a look at this first one. Okay, I want to sell a course on creating chatbot funnels in Instagram DMs with the help of ManyChat. Tell me who can buy it from me. Simple enough, see? And here ChatGPT gives me 5 different segments of audiences that can become my customers. And why? Gives the reason why. Yes, see, you can see here the name and the description. You can ask not for 5, but you can write here, give me 10, or give me 5 more, or you can ask as many as you want. Okay, so the second, what are the top 3 of them? Because we need 2 or 3 avatars. We can't sell everything to everyone. Okay, we need to concentrate on 2 or 3, maximum 3 avatars. So what are the top 3 of them I should target if I want to sell more courses? This is my mistake. Okay, if you want to prioritize your marketing efforts to target the top 3 audiences most likely to buy your course in creating chatbot funnels and Instagram DMs with ManyChat, consider focusing on their following groups. And out of those 5, it gives me 3: business owners and entrepreneurs, and why; digital marketers, and why; e-commerce store owners, and why. You can take its a suggestion. For example, you can just say, okay, I'm going to use these 3. Or you can go back to all the groups and just select manually those you want to work with, because you know yourself who you want to work with and who you don't want to. Because I actually don't really want to work with e-commerce anymore. I'm gonna concentrate on social media manager, freelancers, solopreneurs, course creators, business owners. So this type of people. But still, you can take into consideration what it has suggested you. So we've got 3, top 3. Okay. Now what we do? We ask him, write me their top 10 pain points the chatbot automation course can solve. And here's the magic. All the 10 pain points: time-consuming customer support, lead generation and nurturing, scaling customer engagement, sales funnel optimization, and so on and so forth. 10. We can ask for more. Give me 10 more. Write me 10 more, 20 more, as many as you want. But those are, I guess, the main ones. Okay, so what's next? Why would they buy my course to learn how to create chatbots themselves instead of hiring someone for that? So you can ask about your product because you need to understand why they take this decision and why they buy this product. For example, why would they buy more expensive jewelry, for example, like Pandora, or I don't know, other different stuff, and not cheap jewelry like something for $10. Yes. So compare the product to product or service to service. Why would they do this decision? They make this decision to buy this and from me. Yes. So here, what it says me. Okay, someone for that. Okay, cost effectiveness, flexibility, customization, continuous optimization, and iteration. So and so on and so forth. It gives you like 6 reasons. Yes, you can ask for more. It's gonna give you more. Now, what we're gonna do? We need to get the portraits of those people to better understand our customers, because in our automation we're gonna talk to and client path. It's the path of one client, not all the clients. And in your chatbot automation, you create a conversation. You need someone to address to. So it's better when you have this portrait before your eyes, yes, and you understand who you're talking to. So that's why we need the portrait of our avatar. Yes. Now I entered this prompt. Describe me the portrait of every avatar. But see here, it gives me just the general descriptions, and I need it to be the human. Okay. So what I'm doing next, give me a description of each avatar that represents the potential buyer of your chatbot automation course. More precise, see? And here I've got what I wanted. Yeah, so Sarah, yes, the ambitious business owner, and description who Sarah is. Now it's better. It's a person. See, she's a driven and ambitious business owner in her early 30s. She owns a a small business in the fashion industry and uses Instagram as a primary marketing channel. And now we learn about Sarah a little bit more. Now it's a person. It's one person, and you already have this portrait in your mind, and you understand who you're talking to. Yes, and same Mark, the tech-savvy digital marketer, Emma, the entrepreneurial e-commerce store owner, and now those avatars, they represent some human to you. Yes, because we always do everything for one human, one human. Yes, there will be a lot of them, but we still need to talk to our ideal customer. And here are 5 avatars. Okay, what we're doing next, write me the desires of top 3 avatars for me. I don't need all of them. I need top 3, okay? What they are afraid of, what they want to achieve, how their life can be changed after taking my course, okay? And here's the magic again. In 2 seconds, what it gives Sarah, the ambitious business owner, her desires, fears, goals, and how the life will change. And this way for every avatar, for every portrait. Yes. So you will read it later. I'll give you the link for everything. So we're not gonna stop at this. Next, what have they already tried to achieve their desires but failed? That's also very important to know so that we could explain why our product is different and why it's gonna solve their problem. It's very important in all our marketing, in building the conversations, in packing the product, in packing your services, in everything. So this information that we are going through right now, it's crucial for all your marketing, product making, and I would say even all your business. Okay, and ChatGPT is really, really, really cool in helping you with that. Believe me, manually, it's gonna take you days and even weeks to get all this information. Okay, so here it's giving me what I wanted, and we're moving further. How will they feel after taking my course and achieving their desired results? So this way you can say, imagine what and da 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 da, what the ChatGPT has said in here. You can use it to say imagine. Imagine, it's a very, very strong trigger because we all want, when we work hard, everyone in business works hard. And when we want to achieve something real bad, and when you say imagine, and you really just write and explain what they want to achieve, thanks to all this you've got into ChatGPT. Yes, it will trigger your avatar, and he will or she will think that really I need this. I need this right now. Where can I pay? Okay, so it's a strong trigger, and we've got all this in here. Of course, we need to test this because it's still some suggestions, but you already have some information you can work with, okay? And the next, write me a scenario for my chatbot dialogue where I welcome the leads, segment them in those top 3 categories, and sell my course to every of them. And this is just wow, wow, wow. You can create your automations, you can create your scenarios, chatbot scenarios, right in ChatGPT. It's gonna write you all the scripts, and you just transfer them to your ManyChat and build any automation you want. So it's just a small very small example right here. And of course, you're going to edit it because here I see the chatbot gives the message, but the lead, we will give the buttons. And we won't be able to use such long text in the buttons because the buttons should be with short text. We will need to edit them a little bit just to make them shorter, but still, this conversation is already done. See, fantastic. It's in a very joyful tone of voice. It's really cool, you know, like It's ready to use, actually. You can add some emojis here, maybe make it shorter because, as you remember, we need to have 2, 3 sentences, and this block will be quite a little bit big. But still, this conversation is ready to use. See, provide the link to course enrollment. Okay, then the continue of the conversation. We can ask the bots to write the follow-ups for us, see, and segments, provide the link and segments next. So the conversation is almost ready. It's going to be short. Yes, you can expand it. You can add something to it. You can add pictures, videos. You can add lead magnets, anything. But still, the conversation is ready. And what's next? Give me the 3 ideas of lead magnets for each category. The lead magnet funnel, it's, I guess, the most used and strongest funnel that we use in any niche. Any niche. In e-commerce, it's coupon funnel when you give out coupon for collecting data from your customers, but in other niches, it's lead magnets. So you ask for email or phone number or following your Instagram and give out this lead magnet. But this lead magnet should be something valuable. Yes, what your audience needs. And ChatGPT shows you what exactly you can give, what kind of lead magnets you can create so that your customers are interested in it. And after segmenting, you can give out different lead magnets to different segments of your audience. And for example, here it gives us 3 lead magnets for business owners. See, 3 of them. Next, let's see, I don't want to scroll down. Okay, next 3 lead magnets for digital marketers, and 3 lead magnets for e-commerce store owners. They're different and more. It's not everything, it's even more. Write the text for this lead magnet, the e-commerce, and you pick the name. See, the name, just click and copy the name of this lead magnet and write the text for this lead magnet. What do we have here? The chatbot, the ChatGPT writes as the title, the subtitle, what's included, and it gives us not all the lead magnet in the beginning, but the points that are included in the lead magnet. And after that, you can tell what you can tell. You can say, okay, write me the first paragraph. Okay, understanding the power of chatbot automation, for example, like this. Write me the paragraph 1 and see the magic happening again. See? Now it's writing you your lead magnet. It can be as long as you want, as short as you want, and you can just ask it to write each paragraph and then combine it, go to Canva, pack it in PDF, voila, everything is ready. So right now, see what we've done. We have created the avatar. We found out, we asked ChatGPT at all who we want to sell, who we can sell, who are better to sell. We asked for avatars for the portraits. We defined their pain points, their desires, what they are afraid of. We dipped down into their, I don't know, the deepest self, yes. And that's how we learned everything we needed to start from. Of course, while building our funnels, we will need to test a lot. Still, a lot of testing. You can't escape it, really, because still all of this, all the marketing is theory. It's not a solid science like math, but it's a theory. People are theory. So, but this will help you a lot to start with, and we will start with, and after that, it's much easier and faster to do the optimization and